students, this is our organic chemistry important reagents part 3. So in previous videos too, I have uploaded first year organic chemistry, which is most important questions in sequence questions. The sequence most important reagents questions, based on that I made 2 videos. Now this is the third one. Okay, now in this video, second year part. In second year organic chemistry, where we have to concentrate more while doing sequence questions. First chapter is haloalkanes and haloarenes. Haloalkanes and haloarenes. This is one of the most important chapter. SN1, SN2 reaction, stereochemistry, all plays very important role. But SN1, SN2 separately I can do the video. Here in this video, the maximum I can try to give important reagents. First reaction, suppose alcohol reacting with the unsymmetrical reagent HX. What we will get, students, here? Just removing this one, you will get byproduct is water and main product is ROH. This is what is this? RX. 1 second. This is RX, right? Alkyl halides preparation. Alkyl halides preparation. ROH. H2O is removing, no? RX. This is alkyl halides. This is we are preparing. Alkyl halides is nothing but monohalogen derivatives. Monohalogen derivatives only we call it as alkyl halides. Dihalogen means like vicinal, geminal, we'll get it. And next to trihalogen is nothing but like polyhalogen compounds, chloroform, bromoform, that is haloform. So like that. But the monohalogen derivatives only we call it as alkyl halides. But here alcohol's reactivity order of alcohols. Here 3 degree alcohols greater than, 2 degree alcohols greater than, 1 degree alcohol. So next, suppose they will speak reactivity order of HX. HX is HI greater than, HBr greater than, HCl greater than HF. Here which is more reactive? HI. Least reactive? HF. HF generally we are not studying because it's highly explosive, violent reactions that is giving dark conditions. Fluorine reactions generally it will occur in dark conditions. We can avoid generally. Next, among these two, if you see, this is your order. Okay, here alcohol, primary alcohol is least reactive and HCl also least reactive. Keep it in mind this point. Okay, now I will show here 3-4 examples, students, little alert. Now, suppose alcohol, CH3, CH2OH, primary alcohol. Am I right? So, primary alcohol, its name is ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. Clear? So, now in this one is less reactive. Primary alcohol is nothing but the alcohol which is attached to primary carbon. Primary carbon is nothing but it attached to only one carbon. Right? So, now reacting with HCl. Primary alcohols is less reactive. Even HCl also less reactive. Both are less reactive. Reaction is not, it is not feasible, and reaction it will go very slowly. If it starts also very slowly. But so very slowly we cannot know, then we can use catalyst. Here what is the catalyst we are using? Anhydrous ZnCl2. Here it acts as catalyst and Lewis acid both. It has a vacant orbital. It acts as Lewis acid with oxygen. Reaction mechanism is there. Mechanism no need in shortcut revision time. Directly I am explaining. Here same story, students. Here removing water and finally you will get alkyl chlorides. If you want to make chlorides. If you want to make bromides. So finally what I am trying to say here, if you take both are less reactive, reaction may not feasible, or if it will start also very slow. So to avoid this one, we are using the catalyst that acts as catalyst and Lewis acid both. Lewis acid. Clear, accepting electrons we call it as Lewis acid. Here students, concentrated HCl plus anhydrous ZnCl to 1:1 ratio called as Lucas reagent. Lucas reagent, very important one in basic level competitive questions. They're asking in NEET level also, KSET, MSET, NEET level. Lucas reagent. Lucas reagent, one of the good distinguished test for alcohol. Good distinguished test. Let me write. LR. Suppose if you take 3-degree alcohol. 3-degree alcohol means the carbon which is attached to 3 carbons. This is 3-degree. 3-degree alcohol's Lucas reagent means immediate turbidity. Immediate turbidity. Why? Because see. So here Lucas reagent is nothing but HCl, no? Concentrated HCl and anhydrous ZnCl2. Anhydrous ZnCl2. This combination you have taken. Okay. Immediate turbidity. Why? Because tertiary alcohol is more reactive. Why it is more reactive? After losing OH part, no, this is formed stable carbocation. Why it is stable? Carbocation is generally unstable. Why it is stable means due to plus I groups. Due to plus I groups. Electronic effect separately I can do the video. This is plus I groups. Electron releasing groups. He is not having much electrons, but somebody is supporting, then he will exist. He can stay sometime. He is stable. He is stable means rearrangements also occurs. I have uploaded organic chemistry rearrangement. There also I had explained this point. So immediately we will get the product Cl plus byproduct is water. Okay. So immediate turbidity. Here finally what they will ask your matter. So if you treat tertiary alcohol with Lucas reagent, what you will get, students? Immediate turbidity. Immediate turbidity. What is turbidity? Turbidity is nothing but, I am writing clearly, turbidity. Turbidity is nothing but like kerosene and oil. It is not miscible, no? Two different layers like it forms the same like. Here suppose the 2-degree alcohol. If you have taken 2-degree alcohol, same thing, you can try this reaction, Lucas reagent. Then what happened? Immediate turbidity not possible. After 5 minutes, turbidity. After 5 minutes, turbidity. One secondary alcohol, you can take it and try. So what is secondary alcohol? Tell me fast. Yes, CH3, CHOH. This is secondary alcohol with LR. Then you will get CH3, CHCl, CH3 after 5 minutes. Okay, next primary alcohol. Primary alcohols I showed above reaction. So it is no turbidity at room temperature. At room temperature. Start boiling, turbidity forms. Turbidity slowly starts. That's it. Clear? Now, without concept, if I'll start previous year questions also, you may get so many doubts. That's why every video, before explaining the numerical part, previous year questions, I'm giving the concept also. It is useful. Okay, short revision for before going to the exam, like I'm making video, students. So please inform it to your friends also. So many are utilizing our videos. They're getting benefit, means very happy. Now, next one. Suppose the question is like this. CH3 only HCl. Only HCl. Anhydrous ZnCl, you no need to add on. LR also we are taking, sometimes no, they'll ask questions like this also. Anhydrous ZnCl2, why are not using here catalyst? Means this is more reactive, no? This is 3-degree alcohols, no? If it is more reactive, no need of that catalyst action. Immediately it remove water, then you will get the tertiary alkyl halide. Tertiary alkyl halide and water in the vessel, so like a turbidity layer, immiscible like layers it generates. Clear, students? Now, next one, students, CH3, CH2OH, primary alcohol I have taken. So what you will get? HBr. HBr means HBr is more reactive, little more reactive when compared to HCl. That's why you can write directly. But here question, HBr is not available in the laboratory. So HCl, hydrochloric acids we are seeing, but hydrobromic acid, hydrogen iodic acids we are not keeping in the laboratory. When requirement is there, we are making. So if you take this combination, finally it gives HBr. That HBr, it starts reaction with this. Okay. Now next one. Next one more point. Percentage is also 40% like that they were using. Next to CH3, CH2, OH plus HI. HI means here HI is more reactive, no need of catalyst. CH3, CH2I plus water. Plus water. Clear students, here also OH will go and here water. So finally what I am trying to say, HI also not ready in the laboratory. We are using Ki plus H3PO4. So why we are using H3PO4? This is mild oxidizing agent. Why? What is the reason? Why don't you use H2SO4? H2SO4 using is not required. It is not. We are not using H2SO4. Why? If you see this reaction, students, Ki. If you take H2SO4, this is I minus, no student. This I minus converting into iodine state. Iodine state. So here iodine is not required. I minus form only we need. So this is it will give some other reactions, side reactions. Why? Because he is a strong oxidizing agent. No, I minus converting into I2. I2 is not required. I minus is required. To avoid this one, we are using mild oxidizing agent. Clear? Now next best method. Next best method is cyanide chloride. SOCl2. Why we are saying it is best method? CH3, CH2OH, SOCl2. Next, what is this? You will get CH3, CH2Cl plus SO2 plus HCl. See, byproducts are gases. If byproducts are gases, then byproducts easily escape out. Main product easily we can collect. That's why. So byproducts are no need for us, right? It is escaping. Whenever it is coming out, escaping. So easy for separation. That's why best method. Now next one, the same reaction if it occurs in SOCl2 in case of pyridine. Pyridine. Then inverted product obtained. Okay, coming videos I can upload this one. So here pyridine case Cl minus availability is more. It follows SN2 mechanism. SN2 mechanism. Okay, now next one. SN1, SN2 reactions. These are all nucleophilic substitution reactions. See students, I can show OH minus Cl, OH minus Br. So these are all, we call it as nucleophilic substitution reactions. So here kind of reaction also plays important role among the following: nucleophilic substitution, nucleophilic addition, electrophilic addition, electrophilic substitution. They were asking. So let me write here better. Okay, these are all nucleophilic SN reactions. SN means nucleophilic substitution reaction. Short revision. Okay. Now next one. Next two important reagents we have: alcoholic KOH, aqueous KOH. Most of the students, they were confusing here. So if you use aqueous KOH, what is the product? If you use alcoholic KOH, what is the product? They were confusing. I will show now. Okay. So aqueous KOH. Aqueous KOH means substitution reaction. Substitution reaction. Like above reaction, CH3, CH2, Cl, aqueous KOH, they gave. Just OH is replaced by Cl. Substitution reaction. Replacement reaction. That's it. So we'll get byproduct is, what is this byproduct? CH3, CH2, OH. Byproduct is KCl, like this. Suppose the same reaction, if you add alcoholic KOH, solvent is same, sorry, reagent is same, but I am using solvent is different. Your alcoholic KOH, it is eliminating. What is this eliminating? It gives eliminated product, elimination product. So what we are removing? Chlorine, and this is alpha carbon, this is beta carbon. Some alpha carbon halogen, beta carbon hydrogen. Sage rule. I have uploaded video, Sage rule. So beta eliminations, watch it. So we are removing your halogen and hydrogen. Whenever removing, you will get new bond. This is double bond. See, detailed explanation you can watch Sage rule, students. You can understand more. I gave best examples also. See students, I am writing simple shortcut here. Aqueous KOH is nothing but substitution. Substitution. And don't feel other way. Alcoholic KOH. Generally, who are taking alcohol, we'll eliminate those people, right? Elimination. Generally. Don't think in other way. So common. To understand easily I had given. So alcohol, avoiding, eliminating. Like this you can remember. Now, next one. Next, KCl. KCl. To increase the carbon, we are using this one. Carbon chain sequence questions. CH3, CH2OH. So what happened here? KCl. KCl will get CH3, CH2Cl. And why? Because here bond is co-ionic bond, K and C triple bond N. Yes, here ionic nature between potassium and carbon, easily we can break plus and minus. Here after breaking you will get like. Okay, now it is ambident nucleophile. Ambident nucleophile. Ambident nucleophile is nothing but it has two nucleophilic sites, but it can donate only one. Ambident is nothing but it has two nucleophilic sites, but it can donate through only one site. But among these two, which is best? Charged nucleophiles are best. Charged nucleophiles are best. That's why we are doing this one. Clear? That's why cyanates we are getting. The same thing you can take it and add AgCN. I am writing here only to save the time, students. AgCN. AgCN means, can you expect the product, students? AgCN? Yes, isocyanates. Last year here mistake they are given, aqueous they are given, gave grace marks. CH3, CH2, NP, isocyanates. These are cyanates. Here cyanates is the product, here isocyanates. What is the reason? That is also I am explaining. Between Ag and carbon, we have covalent nature. Covalent bond is individual bond. I am talking about individual bond. Covalent bond is strong bond. Breaking bond is very difficult. So he is taking a lot of time. So that is high concentration. High concentration we are maintaining. It follows SN2 mechanism. Then what happens? Here not ready to break no through nitrogen. Nitrogen have lone pair. Through nitrogen it will go and attack. That's why we will get isocyanate. CH3, CH2, NC. So with KCl, cyanates, with AgCl, isocyanates. Is it clear, students? Is it clear? So go back to the points once again and go through it. AgCl, isocyanates, cyanates, KCl. And reduction also here amines, here primary amines, here secondary amines. That reduction videos also have uploaded. So reducing agents, go through it. So now next one. Nitrates also, that is also important one. You go through it later. Next, phenol. Phenol is important. Phenol with zinc dust. Phenol with zinc dust. What you will get, students? Benzene. Okay, next benzene with propyl chloride. Chloropropane. What you will get, product? So first you will remove chlorine along with the electron pair it is going. So what you will get your intermediate CH3, CH2, CH2 plus primary carbocation. This primary carbocation rearranges to secondary carbocation. It plays important role. This secondary carbocation it will go and attack here. So secondary carbocation. Whenever carbocation intermediates is there, definitely rearrangement occurs. No? So rearrangement, it will go on attack. Then what is our answer? So this is cumene. Cumene, right? 1, 2, 3. Only only 2. Okay? This is cumene. Cumene to phenol, how to prepare. And in cumene phenol preparation, what is the byproduct they are asking? Directly, one step I am writing here. Just less time I am spending, students. So here, what is this cumene? Cumene is nothing but isopropyl benzene. Cumene also call it as isopropyl benzene. Isopropyl benzene. See, students, isopropyl benzene. Just now we have taken no. How easily we can write the product? See, first air. In air presence, oxidation occurs. Oxidation is nothing but C. As it is, you can write 2 methyl group, students. No change. But instead of this one, you can write here 2 oxygens and OH. That's it. I am not removing anything. CH3 groups are arranged like this. And here CH direct bond is not there between oxygen, addition of oxygens, 2 oxygens. Then after that hydrolysis, what you will get? Migration. So you will get OH and byproduct is acetone. Okay, these are all named reactions, students. But named reactions, you are learning from every exam, for every exam, PU board examination and KSET intermediate stage and IP exams, all the exams you are preparing. Even the Chennai students also you are preparing for board examination. But thing is here, importance of the reagents time also byproducts like they are asking questions. That's why I had explained this one. So please. Now next one. 2 more I will explain here. After that I am going to close this one. Now it seems to be Nandi students. I think it will take next one more video. In next video maximum I will complete all the reagents. After that what is our work? Next sequence question. Okay. Ortho para directors, Sage rule, Markenkoff rule, Hoffman's rule, all the rules I have completed. Please go through that. Okay. Now next one here, phenol. Phenol, at a time I am writing all. In the alcohols chapter, one more question is there, students. I forgot to give. I will give here. So that is PBr3, PCl3 reaction. So what is OH? What is this? Bromine water. If you will take bromine water. Here you can remember electrophile source is more. Electrophiles is more. You can remember like this. Why? Because it forms actually HOBr. And write here. HOBr. HOBr further it will give OH minus and Br plus. The Br plus continuously coming into the vessel. He is a strong activator. Ring activators also have uploaded videos, no, OP directors and meta directors. Phenol is OP director because it has lone pair of electron, that is strong OP director. Aniline in second year chapters, aniline and phenol, he is the strong OP director. So he has capability to take at a time 3 ring activators. Because of this electron density increasing on ortho para positions, I said no, in 3 positions bromine will go on. So this is your answer. If you will take bromine water, students, if you will take a normal solvent like non-polar solvent, that is different. This is what? 2,4,6 tribromophenol. 2,4,6 tribromophenol. Next one, this is bromine with CS2, or else like alcohol, anything, some solvent without water. Then you will get ortho para product. Ortho position bromo and para position also bromo. Orthobromophenol, parabromophenols, names also you can write. Then what is this dilute HNO3? Dilute HNO3 is nothing but same thing. Here you will get phenol and ortho position NO2 group and para position NO2 group. That's it. I am giving one question to you. Everyone try it. Concentrated HNO3. And next one, what is the product? Next one more question. And alcohol chapter said, no, everyone comment me answer. What is this? Some acid name, that acid. That is actually, there is no acidic group, but we call it as acid. That's why I gave this one. Next, another two questions also. CH3, CH2OH. This is what? P plus Br2. P plus Br2. And here, next you will get one product. What is the product? And the CH3, CH2OH. This is P plus Br2 less, or else P plus Br2. This is PCl5. What are the products? Okay. Comment me answer, students. Next video, maximum I will complete importance of the reagents. Okay, students. Thank you. Thanks for watching.